start of the year.
Oh,
And of course, you're celebrating your birthday
Yes.
in a few weeks, few days.
yeah.
Ano yung personal and professional goal mo this 2025?
It's a good question kasi hindi ko pa siya naisip masyado. Sobrang busy ko recently. Professional goal siguro is magawa ng maayos ng Incognito, maging successful siya, to do the best that I can to help the show. Lahat ng skills ko or abilities ko talagang ibibigay ko dito sa Incognito. On a personal level, try to balance my family life and my work at the same time. Siguro for me, growth, spiritually and mentally. And siguro to have more peaceful year in 2025.
Ikaw ba naniniwala ka na life begins at 40?
Yes.
So what have been the parang big changes in your life?
Ang dami. In the past year, ang daming changes. But I'm happy. I think yun ang pinaka-important. I'm content, I'm happy. I get to spend time with my kids and I get to spend time with my family. At the same time, I have this big project by ABS-CBN. I can't ask for anything more. And I'm happy personally. So I think yun ang pinaka-importante.
What about movies? Wala kang plan.
I actually want to do a movie this year. I want to do a movie siguro middle of this year or end of this year. Nasa plans ko rin yan.
Anong type?
Action pa rin.
Iba-iba yung mga sinasuggest sa akin ng mga tao at ng mga producers.
Pero may hawak ka ng script.
Concepts pa lang. Concepts. And then we're gonna develop it. Pero as of now kasi there's multiple concepts pero iniisip ko pa muna talaga yung plano for the end of the year. Middle of the year.
Drama, romance, fantasy.
So, Chard, with Incognito, no, kumbaga, galing ka sa talagang the ultimate action series, which is the Iron Heart. Yung iba sinasabi, he's the ultimate action star. What can you say about that? Si Bix kasi, kanina kumukulit niya, Kuya Jun, tanongin siya about that. Kasi, comment tapos with yung mga tsaka yung with the teasers and the trailer, may kanya-kanya kayo, di ba? So kitang-kita doon na talagang grabe when it come to action talaga.
Yeah, siguro nga, because din of, sa primetime TV, parang yun yung kinalakihan ko na di ba? Primetime TV, leading an action series na ilang beses ko na rin nagawa, from fantaserie to hard action to love story na may action. I've done many TV series in the past na action. And with Ironheart, nung nagawa ko yung Ironheart, it was my first solo action series with ABS-CBN. And we were very happy na mataas yung ratings. Financially, kumikita yung show. Despite all the expenses, despite all the travels, basically naging successful yung Ironheart. Very successful. And it's something that I can really be proud of. I've waited for an action series with ABS-CBN for a long time, na solo. They finally gave it to me in Ironheart. And nagawa ko siya ng maayos. Nagawa ko with the team who worked hard, may mga stunt team kami, directors, everyone who was part of it. Sa action, masasabi ko that, I think I've paid my dues. I've paid my dues sa action. I've done everything. I've trained almost every martial arts out there. I've trained tactical training in years of research and training. And I think I've paid my dues after.
Chart, nung pinapili ka, no, with a new project, you were given three concept, di ba? Bakit tong Incognito yung napili mo?
Yes, nung pinitch sa akin ng ABS-CBN yung concept. Yeah, they pitched me 3 concepts na action. Yes, and I chose Incognito because yung concept niya na private military contractor, actually, dinanggit ko yun kay Direk Lester during Ironheart. Kasi it's something that I've been researching about for a long time. Yung concept na private military contractor. Actually, binasa ko yung mga books about that. I-research ko yung Blackwater before, yung first group na nakilala about private military contractors. So I've done my research about
Why
this.
is that? Bakit nagka-interest?
Nagkaroon ako ng interest sa sa story ng mga sundalo eh. Story ng mga Navy SEALs. Nagkaroon ng time na naging fan talaga ako ng mga sundalo, mga servicemen sa States, mga Navy SEALs, ganyan. Kasi nag-portray din ako ng character before na sundalo. And then, nag-training ako ng tactical training on my own.
When you were younger, did you ever dream of entering the military?
Yes. Actually, nung nasa States ako, iniisip ko na yun, yung magsundalo ako after high school. Obviously, hindi ako pinayagan ng nanay ko. Kaya pinauwi ako dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi may mga kaibigan ako na naging sundalo sa Amerika. And parang naging dream ko siya actually to be part of the Navy SEALs. Oh, kasi nag-training na ako ng martial arts before sa Amerika. And then dream ko talaga siya, parang dream ko maging sundalo before. So yun, growing up, you know, naturally, nagbabasa ako ng mga libro about it. Until I found out about this private military contractors who are doing secret missions. May mystique about them, may mystery about them. Sino ba itong mga to? They all come from different military backgrounds. Tapos ginagawa silang isang team for certain missions. So, na-intrigue ako dun sa concept na yun. At sinabi ko yun kay Direk Lester. And then, Direk Lester, after Ironheart, along with Star Creative, they decided to conceptualize this Incognito. And alam ko na yung project. Before pa nila pinitch sa akin, alam ko na yun ang ipipitch nila sa akin. Plus, the fact na sinabi nila na we're gonna be filming all over the world, diba? And it's gonna be a hard-hitting action. So, it's a project that I can't say no to. And working with the same team as Ironheart. And then, Ansam yung cast. Something exciting.
And